Ever thought of using whiteboard animations as a method of understanding difficult concepts of science? At Rev Scholar, we are going to provide you with the most effective revision technique for your GCSEs this year. Let us take the example of sodium chloride, also known as common salt. We know ionic compounds do not conduct electricity as solids. However, on melting, the ions are free to move to conduct electricity by carrying their charge toward the electrodes. The positive sodium ions move toward the cathode. Let us get going with learning about a system. A system can be defined as an object, or a group of objects that interact with each other. Every object in a system needs the energy to work. For example, in the gym, we require energy to lift a weight. Now, there are many types of energy. These forms of energy include kinetic, magnetic, chemical, electrostatic, thermal, gravitational, nuclear, and so on. We shall learn about these in detail later. Energy is measured in joules. Large quantities of energy are measured in kilojoules. Remember, 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joules. Energy is never created or destroyed. It is always transferred from one form to another. The law of conservation of energy says that in an isolated system, the total amount of energy remains conserved. This means the amount of energy at the beginning of the process is equal to the amount of energy at the end of the process. For example, during winter, we tend to rub our hands fast to make them warm. This is where kinetic energy gets converted to thermal energy and we feel warm. Another branch of mathematics termed algebra. Algebra helps solve mathematical equations and allows us to derive unknown quantities. What are variables? A variable is a letter which has an unknown value. We use these for denoting algebraic expressions. For example, in x plus 3 is equal to 6, x is the variable. Thus we intend to make difficult concepts easy for you to ace your exams. Succeed with flying colors using Rev Scholar.